the heel foot and the ankle foot. The heel foot are the last two toes, the ankle foot are the first three toes, and it's a unit, 2 units. And the ankle foot goes with the tibia. That's why it's called the ankle foot, because from the tibia you come right onto the talus, and from the fibula you come into the calcaneus or the heel bone. So the fibula is coming into the calcaneus or the heel bone or the heel foot, and the tibia is coming into the talus or the ankle bone, and so we have this unit. Then if you take the foot and you do the same thing, but you see we have toes all the way to, individual toes all the way to here, but they're together. So I can't spread them in the same way. But if you put your heel on the iliac crest, and you take your big toe, and it follows the pubis, pubic arch, and you take your second toe, and it goes down the ramus between the pubis and the sits bone. And then your third toe is the socket coming back up. You have a triangle here.
Show the
Big
ramus.
toe. If I took my fingers, it would look like something like that. Big toe, second toe, third. Then your fourth and fifth toes. Your fourth toe is from the sit bone to the spine of the scapula. Here it is. It's not spine of the scapula, spine of the pelvis. Ischial spine, thank you. And then your little toe goes to the crest. So your fourth toe is the lesser sciatic notch. Your pinky toe is the greater sciatic notch, and here's your heel. The sole of the foot, bless you, is the inside of the pelvis. The outside of the pelvis is the back of your foot. So that as you are moving your foot, your pelvis is moving in relationship.